Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix DHCP is not enabled for Ethernet in Windows 11, 10. Type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check Obtain an IP address automatically, also check Obtain DNS server address automatically. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.